हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम रिलेशनिंग फंक्शन फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? शो दैट द रिलेशन आर इन द सेट आर ऑफ रियल नंबर्स डिफाइंड एज आर इज इक्वल टू ए comma b such that a is less than is equal to b square. This relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. ये रिलेशन तीनों भी नहीं है बोलकर प्रूफ करना है यहाँ पर। सी द सॉल्यूशन given the set of elements is real number. The set are of real numbers defined as r is equal to a comma b such that a is less than is equal to b square. First one, reflexive relation. Reflexive relation is a comma a फॉर्म में रहना, रियल नंबर्स लेना है। 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 2 comma 2 is less than is equal to 2 square 2 is less than 4। ये सही है। यहाँ पर क्या है? दिस रिलेशन इज नॉट रिफ्लेक्सिव, वो प्रूव करना है। 3 comma 3 is less than is equal to 9, ये भी सही है। रियल नंबर्स क्या रहा था? रियल नंबर्स आर integers, also rational numbers. You take 1/2 comma 1/2. 1/2 is less than is equal to 1/2 square. 1/2 is not less than 1/4. 1/2 is greater 1/4. 1/2 क्या है? 1/2 is greater 1/4. This 1/2 comma 1/2 not belongs to R. 1/2 comma 1/2 is not belongs to, implies 1/2 is less than is equal to 1/2 square, implies 1/2 is not less than is equal to 1/4. This one is but 1/4 is greater 1/2. Therefore, R is not reflexive relation. Second one is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation क्या रहता? A comma B, इसका उल्टा B comma A belongs to R. For all a comma a belongs to given set. Symmetric relation. For example, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 1 is real number, 2 is also real number. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Condition is a value 1 है, b value 2 है. Implies 1 is less than is equal to 2 square. 1 is less than 2 square. Implies 1 is less than 4. ऐसा ही है। इसका उल्टा भी प्रूफ करना। This one is symmetric. Symmetric means a comma b belongs to R, b comma a belongs to R. Then only we call this one is symmetric relation. a comma b हो गए, b comma a भी belongs to R है, तभी हम उसको सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन बोलते हैं। ये a comma b फॉर्म हो गए, देन इसका उल्टा भी belongs to relation R है ना। 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R. 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R because 2 is not less than is equal to 1 square. 2 is not less than 1. In bracket, 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Therefore, R is not symmetric relation. Third one is transitive relation. Transitive relation. ट्रांसिटिव रिलेशन का डेफिनेशन क्या है? A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R implies A comma C belongs to R is called transitive relation. ये ट्रांसिटिव रिलेशन नहीं है बोलकर एग्जाम्पल देना है, नॉट ट्रांसिटिव. ट्रांसिटिव नहीं, यहाँ पर कैसा वैल्यू लेना बोले तो 3 2 A comma B हो गए. 3 2 A is less than B. यहां पर कैसा लेना है? B is greater than C रहना. इससे भी ये 2 से भी बड़ा रहेगा, ये 3 से भी छोटा रहेगा. वैसा थर्ड वैल्यू लेना 1/2. 2 से भी कम है. 1.5 इसका स्क्वायर करें तो 2 से भी ज्यादा होता, इससे भी कम होता. ओके, सी है 3, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1.5 belongs to R implies 3 is less than 2 square. 3 is less than 2 square and ये भी प्रूफ करना. 2 is less than 2.25. 3, 2 3 क्या हो गया? A है. B is 2. A is 3 है, B वैल्यू 2 है. A कंडीशन में लिखना है ऑर्डर पे. 3 is less than 2 square सही है. A comma B belongs to R. नेक्स्ट B comma C belongs to R. B वैल्यू क्या है? 2 है. C वैल्यू 1.5. 2 is less than इसका स्क्वायर 1.5 का स्क्वायर. 3 is less than 4 and 2 is less than 2.25. But 3, 1.5 not belongs to R because 3 is not less than is equal to 1.5 square. 3 is not less than is equal to 2.25. But क्या है? 3 is greater 2.25. Therefore, R is not transitive relation. A comma B belongs to R है, B comma C belongs to R है, but A comma C is not belongs to R. 3, 2 एक ट्रू है, 3 is less than 4 है. B comma C 2 is less than 2.25 है. ये A हो गया, A C हो गया, but A C 3 is not less than 1.5 square. क्यों? 3 is greater 2.25. Therefore, R is not transitive relation. Transitive नहीं है बोलकर एग्जाम्पल दिए. Hence, R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Third question. Check whether the relation R in the set of elements is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Defined by the relation is A comma B such that B equal to A plus 1 is reflexive or symmetric. A given relation reflexive है क्या सिमेट्रिक है बोलकर सॉल्व करना है. सॉल्यूशन given the set of element is A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 defined by R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1. A 1 अगर हो गया तो B का वैल्यू क्या होगा? A is 1 plus 1 2. Ordered pair is क्या है? A comma B. The ordered pair is A comma B. When A is 1 plus 1 2. B वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2. Therefore the relation R its ordered pair is 1 comma 2. When A is 2 plus 1 क्या? 2 plus 1 3. When A is 3 A comma B फॉर्म में लिखना है. When A is 3 plus 1 4. When A is 4 plus 1 5. When A is 5 plus 1 6. When A is 6 plus 1 7. 7 is not in set A. 7 is not in set A. 6 comma 7 is not belongs to relation R. Therefore, this much only the given relation. Check this relation is symmetric है क्या? Reflexive है? चेक करना है. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है. वो पूरा एलिमेंट का डबल ए टू रिलेशन के अंदर रहना तभी हम उसको रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन बोलते हैं. 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है, 6 है. ये पूरा एलिमेंट का डबल ए टू रिलेशन के अंदर रहना तभी हम ये रिलेशन को रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन बोलते हैं. 1 है, 1 नहीं है, 2 है, 2 नहीं है, 3 है, 3 नहीं है, 4 है, 4 नहीं है, 6 है. एक भी नहीं है बोले तो भी हम रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं बोलते इसको. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, so 6 comma 6 is not in relation R. Therefore, R is not reflexive relation. Second, symmetric. क्या given relation is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation का डेफिनेशन क्या है? A comma B है तो उसका उल्टा भी रिलेशन के अंदर रहेगा. 1 comma 2 है, 1 comma 2 ऑर्डर पेयर है. 1 comma 2 का उल्टा है क्या? 1 comma 2 इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? 2 comma 1. In set a relation 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is a not symmetric relation. Okay, last check whether this relation is transitive or not. यहाँ पर दो ही पूछे. थर्ड वन में प्रूफ करो. प्रैक्टिस होता आती है. ट्रांसिटिव ट्रांसिटिव क्या है? A comma B, B comma C, then A comma C चेक करना. A comma B हो गया, ये B comma C हो गया. A B B C. When A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, A comma C belongs to R रहेगा. A comma B है, 1 comma 2 है, 2 comma 3 है, ए कामा सी क्या होता? ए कामा सी इज 1 कामा 3, 1 कामा 3 बिलोंग्स टू रिलेशन नहीं है, therefore this relation is also not a transitive. 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but 1 comma 3 is not belongs to R, therefore R is not transitive relation. ट्रांसिटिव क्या है? ए कामा बी कामा सी, ए कामा सी इसके अंदर है, ए कामा सी क्या हो रहा है याद रखते हैं? 1 कामा 3 is not in relation, therefore the relation is not a transitive relation. Okay, see next question. Already we see second question similar to these two are also similar to second question. Show that the relation R in the set of real numbers are defined as R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than B, is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. It was similar. Take this fourth question as homework. See fifth question. Fifth question is also similar to second and fourth. ये भी सेम ही है, फिर भी ये डिस्कस करेंगे ये क्वेश्चन. ये तीनों क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है, देखो सेकेंड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ फॉर 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सी फिफ्थ वन. फिफ्थ इज आल्सो सिमिलर टू सेकेंड. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या कर रहे थे? ए लेस देन इक्वल टू बी स्क्वायर ना, से ए इज लेस देन बी. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, check whether the relation R of real numbers defined R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than equal to B. Relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. ये क्या है बोलकर चेक करना है. Given set of elements is real numbers. Then R is the set of real numbers defined by R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than BQ. A is less than BQ. First one, reflexive relation. रियल नंबर्स, सभी रियल नंबर्स लेना, चेक करना. 1 2 3 -1 -2 -3 ये भी रियल नंबर्स है. 1/2 1/3 1/5 ये भी रियल नंबर्स है. एक भी एग्जांपल नहीं रहना कि वो रिफ्लेक्सिव नहीं बोले. ओके, सी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 1/2 comma 1/2 belongs to R or not? 1/2 comma 1/2 is not belongs to R. क्यों? Substitute. A is 1/2, B is 1/2. 1/2 is not less than is equal to 1/2 cube. 1/2 is not less than is equal to 1/8. 1/2 is not less than 1/8. 1/2 is greater 1/8. 1/2 is greater than equal to 1/8. Therefore, R is not reflexive relation. Second, symmetric relation. Same second question का एग्जाम्पल क्या? 1 comma 2 belongs to R implies 1 is less than equal to 2 square implies 1 is less than is equal to 2 square is 4. But 2 is not less than is equal to 1 square. 2 is not, इसका उल्टा भी प्रूव करना है. a कामा b है, b कामा a बिलोंग्स टू r है, तभी हम इसको सिमेट्रिक रिलेशन बोलते हैं. 1 कामा 2 बिलोंग्स टू r, 1 is less than 4 है, but 2 is not less than 1 square. 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. So, therefore, R is not symmetric relation. The third, transitive relation. Transitive relation, say 3 by 2 belongs to R and 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belongs to R. 3 is less than is equal to 3 by 2 square and 3 by 2 less than is equal to 6 by 5 cube. 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R and 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belongs to R. Condition is A less than is equal to B cube. 3 is less than equal to 3 by 2 cube. 3 is less than 3 by 2 is less than is equal to 6 by 5 whole cube. But A comma B हो गए, B comma C हो गए, but 3 comma 6 by 5 not belongs to R. 3 is not less than is equal to 6 by 5 cube. 6 by 5 is greater than is equal to 3. Therefore, R is not transitive relation.